So adding equation A and B, add equation A and equation B. So you will get 2x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 11. Now subtract A and B. So it's x square plus xy is equal to 9. X square minus y square is equal to 2. By subtracting, I got y square plus xy is equal to 7. Now it's y square minus 7 is equal to xy. Y square minus 7 over y is equal to x. So I got the value of x from this equation and I can substitute it in the other equation. The other equation is it's y square plus xy is equal to 7. So the equation was x square minus y square is equal to 2. This was the equation B. So instead of x, I can write y square minus 7 over y square minus 7 over y into y square minus 7 over y instead of x square minus y square is equal to 2. So it's y square minus 7 whole square over y square minus y square is equal to 2. Okay, so it's a minus b whole square. So it's a square plus b square, 7 times 7 is 49, minus 2y square 2a and b divided by y square minus y square over 1 is equal to 2. So it's y square y4 plus 49 minus 14y square minus y to the power 4 is equal to 2. So it's plus 5 4 minus 5 4. Now it's 49 minus 14y square, which is equal to 2y square. 49 is equal to 2y square plus 14y square. 49 is equal to 16y square. 49 over 16 is equal to y square. Taking square root on both sides, we get is y is equal to plus minus 7 over 4. So we get the value of y 7 by 4 and value of y minus 7 by 4. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to y square minus 7 over y. X is equal to y square minus 7 over y. So it's 7 by 4 square minus 7 over 7 by 4. 49 over 16 minus 7 over 7 by 4, which is equal to, so it's going to be 49 over 16 minus 7 over 1 divided by 7 over 4. So if it's 16 into 16, so it's 49 over 16 112 over 16 divided by 7 by 4. So it's 112 minus 49, 63 over 16 multiplied by 4 over 7. So it's 9 over 4. So x is equal to 9 over 4. Now considering the other value of y minus 7 over 4. When y is equal to minus 7 over 4. And what is the value of x? Y square minus 7 over y. So it's going to be minus 7 over 4 whole square minus 7 over minus 7 over 4. So it's 49 over 16 minus 7 divided by minus 7 over 4. So it's 49 over 16 minus 7, which gives us 63 over 16 multiplied by 4 by 7 with the negative sign. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 7, 9 times 9 is 63 with the negative sign. So the solution set is x is equal to minus 9 by 4 when y is equal to minus 7 by 4. X is equal to 9 by 4 when y is equal to 7 by 4. So in this way we get our solution. Okay, let's check it. This was a bit tricky. So x square plus xy should be equal to 9. So let's say x square, we are going to take minus 9 by 4 square plus minus 9 by 4 minus 7 by 4, which is equal to 9. 4 times 4 is 16 plus, so it's minus 9 by 4. When x is minus 9 by 4, y was minus 7 by 4. When x is 9 by 4, y was 7 by 4. Okay. Okay. So it's minus 63 by 16. So it's 81 minus 63 over 16. So we can understand from here that this is not satisfying this equation. Why? Because we have these two solutions for the other equation, that is x square minus y square is equal to 2. So it is not going to satisfy this equation. If we will take the other equation, that is x square minus y square, which is equal to 2, and now we are going to put the values minus 9 by 4 and minus 7 by 4. So it's minus 9 by 4 square minus 7 by 4 square, which is equal to 2. 81 over 16 minus 49 over 16, which is equal to 2. So 81 minus 49, which is 32 over 16, is equal to 2, and 2 is equal to 2. Now solving the other equation, it has 2x square plus yx minus y square is equal to 11. We will substitute this value in this equation. It's y square minus 7 over y whole square plus y square minus 7 over y minus y square is equal to 11. So it's 2 a square plus b square minus 14 y square over y plus y square minus 7 minus y square minus 11, which is equal to 0. So from here we have 2y to the power 4 plus 98 28y square minus 7 minus 11 is minus 18, which is equal to 0. So it's going to be minus 26, no, it's going to be 2y to the power 4 minus 28 y to the power 2 plus 8 and 8 is 0, 9 and 1 is 8, which is equal to 0. So 2 common, y4 minus, which is equal to 0. So it's going to be y to the power 4 minus 14y square plus 40, which is equal to 0. So it's now using the quadratic equation, it's a square minus 14y square plus 40, which is equal to 0. So now let's pause y square is equal to p. So it's p square minus 14p plus 40 is equal to 0. So now the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, coefficient and constant is c. Okay, so solving it for b, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it's minus 14 plus minus 14 square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it's 14 plus minus, okay, so it's 196 minus 160 over 2. So it's 14 plus minus 6, 36 over 2. It's 14 plus minus 6 over 2. So it's going to be p is equal to 14 plus 6 over 2. P is equal to 14 minus 6 over 2. 20 over 2. 8 over 2. So it's 10 and it's 4. So we assume that p is equal to y square. So y square is equal to 10 and y is equal to plus minus square root. Y square is equal to 4 and y is equal to plus minus 2. So we got the 4 values for y, and to find the value of x we have x is equal to y square minus 7 over y. X is equal to y square minus 7 over y. Now we are going to put the values of y separately. Y is equal to 2. So it's going to be 2 square minus 7 over 2, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. Next, we will put x is equal to y is equal to minus 2. So it's minus 2 square minus 7 over minus 2. 4 minus 7 over minus 2 minus 3 over minus 2, it's going to be 3 over 2. Next, x is equal to square root 10, y is equal to square root 10. So square root 10 square minus 7 over square root 10, 10 minus 7 over square root 10, 3 over square root 10 times square root 10 over square root 10. So it's 3 square root 10 over 10. And the last is y is equal to minus square root 10. And x would be equal to minus square root 10 square minus 7 over minus square root 10. So it's equal to minus minus positive. So 10 minus 7 is 3 over minus square root 10 multiplied by square root 10 divided by square root 10. So minus 3 square root 10 over 10. So we get the 4 values of x against the 4 values of 1, 2, 3, 4 values of y. So now the complete solution set can be written. X is minus 3 square root 10 over 10 when the y was minus square root 10. X is 3 square root 10 over 10 when y was square root 10. X is 3 by 2 when y is minus 2. X is minus 3 by 2 when y is plus 2. And the other two solutions we already find were So this is the solution side and the question ends here.